Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll be taking you through how you can add a voice overlay on any of your clip, either pictures or videos. So I'll be using pictures. So first of all, just click on the plus icon to get your new project. So select all the pictures or videos in which you wanted to use to edit. So once you've done that, just lay it on the timeline, then just watch to the end and you see how I will create an overlay. So you click on the clap sign, which sounds like the sign that look like music. So you just click on the record color that shows the mic. So once you click on it, so you can start your recording of your voice. But sometimes it may just start immediately, then sometimes it may count you in 3 seconds for you to make your
Don't unplug me.
voice over. Watch to the end. So I've been grateful for this award. This has made a very good impact in my career, and I really appreciate for this award. So I've been grateful for this award. This has made a very good impact in my career, and I really appreciate Wasek for this award.